How to reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook timeline. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings, so tap on that. As you do that, you just need to scroll down and under the category of your information, tap on access your information. So tap on it and then tap on continue. As you do that, you'll be able to log into access your information. So here on the search bar, you can just search for other over here. So just type other and you'll be able to see the option of other people's post to your feed. So tap on it and here you'll be able to see the Facebook birthday wishes that has been done on Facebook to you. So tap on it, or rather just tap on the three dotted lines beside the wishes and then tap on view. As a view, you can just tap on the comment box and comment as thank you and then post it. And there you go. So thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.